host, Denzel.
And here we are, yet again, for another live telecast right from the one, the only, the National Theatre. This is Coca-Cola Rated Next Sing It, the live show. As always, I'll be your host for the evening, Denzel. Now, these amazing live shows are all about live performances, and your top 10 contestants are waiting backstage to give us one hell of a live performance today. Why don't we get right into it, but right before the performances, why don't we give it up for our judges who happen to be somewhere here tonight. I think I see them looking pretty over there. Ladies and gentlemen, our judges of Coca-Cola Rated Next Sing It. We'll start with a lady, a presenter on XFM, one of the finest radio stations around Kampala. Ladies and gentlemen, Sima Sabiti. We also have Sharp Soali, who happens to be a singer himself and also the director at First Love Studios. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Sharp. And last but not least, we have Benin, all the way from Swangs Avenue, who will be giving a contract to our lucky winner at the end of this show. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for our third judge, Benin. Now, our beautiful judges did a beautiful job and went all the way across the country looking for our 10, or rather, looking for a number of contestants who all formed a part of Coca-Cola Rated Next Sing It. They finally voted them down to 10. They performed for us last week. And they're here again to perform for you this week. It's a little different this week because we might be saying goodbye to some of our contestants who are on the probation list. There were 3 that turned up and didn't exactly have the best performance last week. Either 1 or 2, or possibly all 3, could be going home today. We'll find out later on the show what their fate is going to be. Now, talking about our top 10 contestants, why don't we give it up for them? Our top 10 contestants of Coca-Cola Rated Next Sing It. Why don't you guys join me up on stage here? I wish somebody would scream for me like that, but anyway. Here we are, our top 10 contestants, definitely looking adorable. But as I mentioned earlier on, unfortunately for 3 of them last weekend, their performances were not exactly adorable, and they ended up in the red zone, which we call the probation list. I'm going to ask our 3 contestants who I hope you've been voting for all through the week to step up front. We'll start off with Winnie. Please step to the front. You also have Pages and Joshua. I'll have a quick word with them, just in case this might happen to be their last performance tonight. We'll start off with a lady right over here. Everybody's grown close to each other inside the house, and I dare say if you're leaving tonight, which contestant, which new family member of yours would you miss the most?
I would miss Eseri.
All right, thank you for that right there. We'll move on to our next contestant, and just in case today happens to be the last time you perform on Coca-Cola Rated Next Sing It, what happens after here?
I'll just go on with my music career. Yeah.
That's more like it. Now, contestants would do anything to be in a competition like this. I need to ask you, would you do anything to stay in the show?
Sure.
I need to ask, would you cut off your hair to stay on the show? I think that's answer enough. Well, we're going to wish you guys the best of luck. I sure hope everybody's been voting for these guys. Who are you supporting? Well, why don't we start it off with a quick highlight, and we take a look at a quick profile video here and find out which performer we have coming up first.
My name is Kayondo Sharifah. I'm 20 years of age. Born in a family of 8. Actually 8 girls. We all girls and 1 boy. Way back in around P5, okay, I was asked to be a soloist in some Luganda songs, you know those things of MDD primarily. So I was told to and I sang well, and everyone was like, hey, Kayondo Vanange, go sing and ngamba cheche nini ndiwakabi, you know.
Sharifah bwe yangamba nti agenda mu Coca-Cola namugamba kye mugenda ogezeeko. Sobola onyuza okufiiriza nga ye chance yo.
Wajenga nali njagala just to prove sharp wrong. Naye I didn't expect to go this far. I'm telling you the truth. And whenever I would reach on stage, I was like, me, I've come to sing for that sharp alone, even when others don't say anything, you know. And I don't know what to say. When it comes to the top 10 issue, I run out of words.
Sharifah mukama kuumukisa nkwagala nnyo.
Well, like I mentioned at the beginning of the show, we're taking you across Africa tonight, and we start our musical journey in Gabon, performing a song originally done by Oliver Ngoma. It's called Adia, and give it up for Sharifah.
Whoa, Shakira! Sharifah, I guess you can tell from the crowd that was it, girl. You rocked the crowd. Just one small thing I would like you to take note. Watch your mic control, yeah, because I think you have a powerful voice. So just be aware of your microphone. Put it a bit far away from your mouth when you're going to sing something that's so high. But otherwise, that's a very good performance. Thank you so much.
Wow. Sharifah, you are an absolute powerhouse. You owned the stage. You look amazing. And you were so regal. Honestly, I'm looking at the stage. If I was around when Joanita Kawalia was around your age doing her thing, I bet that's exactly what she looked like.
Yeah.
Like Benon said, watch your mic control. You have a very powerful voice, so you need to watch your mic control. But otherwise, that was a fantastic opening to the show. Well done.
Sharifah, I get the point. By now, I have gotten the point. You look absolutely positively regal. That performance was just as regal. I don't know what else to say. I mean, they've mentioned everything else. It was just amazing. You look good. You did good.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it up one more time for Sharifah, who happened to have celebrated her birthday just last week. Thank you very much, Sharifah. As the show goes on here, it's Coca-Cola Rated Next Sing It. We are live and direct from the National Theatre on Urban. We still have 9 amazing performances lined up just for you right here on the show. Why don't we move on with it? Do remember, you can always tell us what you think about Sharifah's performance and generally what you think about the show by hashtagging CRN2, and that's on Twitter and on Facebook. Let's get into our next profile and see which contestant we have coming up.
My name is Lubwama James, aka Pages. I'm 21, a student at Ndeje University. I love music, I'm a people person, and I love you all. I've been a rapper, a very good rapper, since I was young. But as I was in my Form 5, town school in Mukono, that's when I realized I could really sing. I joined a choir. It was an Adventist choir.
Pages yatandika music n'endowooza nti ajja kulekayo okusoma. Naye namubuulirirako mugamba nange ogenze kumukuyimba naye njagala osome. Nagamba sisobola kuleka kusoma kubanga kusoma nako nkwagala naye nga ne music nkolaki agala naye bwe twamala okukwatagana namwoleka nabanga ayivu kale kati waali kati ndi musanyufu okuwulira nti ayimba ate nga bw'asoma.
Actually, when some friends of mine heard that I was in the top 10, they used to ask me, "Are you in the top 10, Ginger?" And I was like, "I'm in the whole Uganda, not Ginger."
And there we have it, coming in from Pages. He's going to perform one all the way from South Africa, originally performed by Ringo. This right here is Sondela. Ladies and gentlemen, Pages.